Indian gooseberry, also known as amla, is a fruit which is highly valued in Ayurveda for its rejuvenating properties. Home remedy for improving immunity. Chop amla into pieces and grind it into a fine paste. Mix a spoonful of fresh amla paste in water. Add a spoon of honey for a nice flavor to the amla water. Drink this amla honey water on an empty stomach early in the morning to boost your immunity. This keeps frequent colds, coughs, and fever at bay by making the body stronger. Amla is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. It improves the immune system, skin health, and overall well-being. It contains antioxidants which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Amla is known to lower the blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which makes it an ideal food for diabetics. It is great for hair and skin. Amla promotes hair growth and prevents premature graying of hair. It contributes to healthy skin by promoting collagen production in the body. Amla is traditionally used to treat constipation, indigestion, and acidity. It results in a healthy digestive system.